Accessories of Gas Metal Arc Welding. Core box. Welding machine. It is provided with the welding wire feed roller system. And it is also used for providing power supply to carry out the welding operation. Welding torch. It is used for melting and joining of metals by the application of heat from electric arc. Whereas the arc is formed between consumable welding electrode and workpiece. Bench vise. It is used for holding the plate from mechanical disturbances. Hand wheel grinder. It is used for the removal of welding beads over the metal joints, that is mainly in welded area. Grinder with wire wheel. It is used for polishing the surface of metals in addition to remove the rust in it. Anti-Spatter Spray. It is highly preferred for vanishing the minute spatters from retaining during or after the welding process.